What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and welcome back to another IAA Walk Around. Let's go ahead and roll that intro, get directly into it, see if we can find anything cool. Something you don't see every day. These old Cadillac Sevilles won't pop open. Oh, they can't open the hood. Damn. That's not hard to get into though. But that might scare enough people away. She's really clean. The top is not bad. I'm not really seeing any rust. The center caps are super expensive for those wheels. Okay, missing one thing back here with the little bumper joints. Let me wide out a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see some of the cushioning and stuff on the side is starting to separate. This thing sat somewhere outside in this Vegas heat for a long time. 1990. Damn, I bet you she runs though. I bet you she runs. God, that interior looks buttered. You can see it's like little stuff like this, repairable. This had that full digital dash and everything else. These were dope ass cars when they came out, man. And they were dope even recently. Like if you see one of these running down the road, they're just dope cars. Seville in the door. This thing is clean, man. I like it. I like it. But where the hood's not open and she's dead as a doornail, there's not much else I could show you on it. So we won't waste a ton of time on it. But definitely, what a beautiful old car, man. What a beautiful old car. Which brings me to this brand new wide body Charger Scat Pack. I know. You guys are like, why is it here, TK? Well, somebody had it and they rented it on Toro. And usually what happens with those are somebody buys it that can't handle it and they wreck them. And there's no difference with this. This is a 2022 and I'm willing to bet the back is obliterated. Oh, it's not as bad as I expected. I expected it to be worse. That can probably be snapped back in. Oh, does it say buckle? Yeah, you can see a little bit of a line right here, but not anything major. Like, I see the little buckle right here, like the dent. You can see it right here, but it's not major. And then on this side, yeah, you can see it took a hit to the rear. Now, here's the thing. It's not really creased in the paint. It's not really creased in the paint. You probably could replace this bumper cover, the tail light assembly and all that, and then you'd put this on a frame machine and pull it out. Now, here it did crease. It creased and it cracked the paint right there. Do you see that? But if you could get it to pull out, you might be okay. Like, this is a car that you could put back together, even with these little buckles. Because look, first glance, from this far away, when you look at it, can you see buckles? If you didn't see those lines where they wrote it, you wouldn't see it. You just wouldn't see it. You could literally put another bumper cover on it, fix whatever that says tube bent on the exhaust, right? Fix this stuff out here, pull this out. You have to put it on a machine, pull it out, see if it fixes some of those buckles and dents, right? And then maybe respray the rear or cover the rear or put a wrap on it with a bumper. Make it a toy. Take it out to the track. This is a car you could take to, you know, sliding events and not give two shits about. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Wow. The blue with the red and black interior. Kind of dope. Not gonna lie. She's clean. Definitely clean. And the doors all open and closed just fine. And again, guys, this is a pretty much brand new 2022 392 for dirt cheap. And I mean dirt cheap. this car will go for some significant money, but it's not going to be something that's like super overpriced or something that they charge a ton of money for. That's not going to be the case at all with this. You're just not going to see it. It's going to be, you know, it's definitely not going to be like, people think that these cars go for retail, and I get it, but no. Like, see here, like, you have to look so close to see that buckle. You're not going to see that. This one a little bit more noticeable. Obviously this dent right here, you know, when the gas tank's closed, you can see it. But I literally think if you put this on a frame machine and pulled it back, a lot of that stuff, that when you pull back, if you pulled back on the whole thing, bloop, it might pop back. It might. And again, if it's just a toy, if it's just something you're gonna go have fun with and not care, why not? Why not? The market is just at a point now where you could do that. Now I do see, is that rear tire? Oh, yeah, they smacked something back here though. Okay, so the rear suspension, the axle is literally like this. Oh yeah, I see the, all right, I see the ding on the wheel now. I mean, you'd have to put some work into it, but God, beautiful car, man. What a beautiful car. And you probably could, you know, pick it up for fairly cheap. Considering what a new one cost for a 2022, you probably could pick this up for fairly cheap. Got the big boy Brembos and everything, the 6 pistons. Whew, beautiful. Oh, all right, well, that's going to do it for that. Let's keep it moving, but damn, that thing is beautiful. That thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Might end up getting a shorter video today, guys, just because my battery is rapidly exhausting. I do see this big boy truck sitting over here. Let's take a look at it. F-250 Super Duty is my guess. Quad cab. Alrighty. Yep, 4x4, like it. I think I already know why it's here though. We'll get to that in a second. She looks clean. Clean from this side. Oh yeah, that's back. Have you been watching my videos for a while? Yeah. We'll talk about that maybe too. Alright. So why is it here? Front bumper, headlight, must have frame damage. Oh yeah. Yep. That whole fender is all pushed back over there. Now the frame might not actually be damaged, but when the adjuster sees that, it's done. Door is all bent. Oh yeah, she's done. And it's got 344,000 miles. Oh, Jesus Christ. I didn't see this from the back. I mean, I saw the wheel tilt a little bit, but I didn't see that. Oof. Yeah, she's done. Yeah, you can 100% say with certainty that that is, that's done. That's completely done. And with 340 something thousand miles, it looks clean. The truck looks clean, I'm not gonna lie. She looks clean. Did it have a fifth wheel in it? Had a bed cover, it did have a fifth wheel. Somebody put this damn thing to work. This side looks clean. A lot of good parts on it, but with 344,000 miles on it, that engine, whoo, you're pushing it. Definitely pushing it. There's a auto auction rebuilds or monkey wrench Mike special with that hydraulic suspension and all that. I'm good on all that. And it's from pedal straight. All right, looks like we got a Chevy Silverado right here. Looks like it's pretty clean. Mismatched wheels, that's a little concerning. New bumper in the front. Title Max repo. Alrighty. Title Max repo. So 2 different tires in the front, 2 different tires, same tires in the rear, different tires in the front. So it probably had wheels on it. Somebody swapped them out. Oh no, the other 2 tires are here in the rear. Huh. Weird. Okay. Interior is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Whew, she stinks, man. But she's dead at the door now. It could work. I mean, it's a base model truck, you know, with an extend cab, not a quad cab. But be a good work truck. Be a decent work truck, for real. Huh. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, how about a Chevy Tahoe, or is it a Suburban? Another Title Max awesome get here. This is a Tahoe, 2009 LT. Nice wheels. It's got the nice wheels on the LT package. Okay, back wiper is missing. It is flex fuel. She's not bad. I've seen worse. We'll see when we open up the inside. No body damage to speak of. A couple little dings here or there. Oh, nice leather interior. This is a nicely optioned LT. Got the drop down screen. Got the captain's chairs back here. It definitely would need a full detail. But this might not be bad. I mean, 5.3 liter V8. That door doesn't open. Tires are shot. For sure. Them tires are shot. But at least they all match. Alright. Yeah, she's not horrible. This could definitely be a decent truck. She is dead as a doornail though, so no starting. I mean, even the armrest, when I see just a little bit of cracking like that on one of these, that's rare. Because these normally are wore the F out. You know what I'm saying? So this one is not bad. And it's got a nice trailer brake. Yeah. This one right here, this is decent. This is decent. I could see this might go for a little bit of money. It was probably running and driving, right? Yep, it runs and drives. Title Max will definitely get their loan back out of this one. Wow, the engine is clean. You can see the other power lines running for, I'm guessing some kind of, is that the regular power line or is that the power lines for like a sound system? I can't tell. I mean, it looks like it's professionally done if that's the case. But she looks clean. Definitely looks clean. Fuse box is covered. Belt looks good. I don't see no cracking or anything on the belt. Tensioner looks good. Engine looks clean. I don't see any like major oil leaks or anything in here. This thing looks like a decent little pickup. You like the fact that the hood's holding itself up and everything? Yeah. Clean this thing up. 160,871 miles. That's not nothing for this. Refinish those headlights. Maybe clean up the front. I don't know if you'd really want to paint it. Maybe give it a good detail. Clay bar, wax, shine, all that good stuff. Give a good interior detail. I'd drive the crap out of this. I totally would. I love this body style a lot. It's probably my second favorite body style outside of like the 2000. But man, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, guys, not a long video like we normally get into because I'm running out of battery life. I'm down to like 5%. The battery's about to be dead and I'm about to be SOL. So before the battery dies, I wanted to go ahead and wrap this video up and get this in for you. But went through everything I had to. But with that said, let me know what you guys think about what you saw today. What do you guys think in the comment section down below? And I'm excited. I'm very excited for 2023 and all the cool stuff that we have coming this year. But yeah, with that said, Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.